Hi, I'm Nate Martin from 99bitcoins.com, and here's what's happened this week in Bitcoin in 99 seconds. Professional crypto traders suggested that this week's dramatic price rise was a result of a major short squeeze in a low liquidity environment. A major Bitcoin buy order was split between at least 3 major exchanges, and the resulting upward price pressure led to $500 million in desperate short covering occurring within an hour on BitMEX. As usually happens when Bitcoin price news is trending, search volume is exploding. Google Trends reveal that search interest for the keyword Bitcoin is at its highest level since last November. Meanwhile, China's major search engine, Baidu, reported that Bitcoin was its fastest rising search term. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission released regulatory guidance to help clarify which crypto offerings constitute a security, and thus fall under existing securities laws. Although the ICO mania has ended, any projects issuing tokens to U.S. citizens should now have much greater regulatory clarity. And finally, the World Economic Forum issued a report that over 40 central banks are exploring blockchain technology, some with a view to creating their own fiat coins. A former Undersecretary General of the UN called for a global currency based on the IMF's SDR instrument. That's what's happened this week in Bitcoin. See you next week.